I don't think so. Are you excited to move?
Yes, but you're taking forever.
Oh, my bags are done. I have 2 bags left. My car is packed. Let's go see what he's doing in here. Probably nothing. Probably slacking like usual. It's just his boxes. Got my plants. I love these plants here. I think they're so cute. So we are moving today. I'm so excited to leave this house and start fresh. My glasses are on today because I'm so tired. The dogs are barking and it's just been a crazy day, but I'm excited to finally be in the new condo. So we just finished putting everything into our new place and it is an absolute disaster, so I don't want to give you guys a full tour, but I'll show you all of our stuff here. Like, absolute disaster. So many bags. So we're gonna spend the rest of today just unpacking everything, getting any last minute stuff. We don't even have like paper towels yet or toilet paper and all that good stuff, so we're gonna spend the day doing that. And we will show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. I'll show you guys the view though, because the view is one of the reasons why we bought this place. Right, babe?
Oh, heck yeah.
So nice. Okay. This is the view. And then over here, the water. So nice. Such a nice day out today too. So we just went through, well, I just got my hair done, got a nice blowout, she did a great job, but we just went to Wendy's, and yes, I did not get anything, and look to see what my husband got. Babe, why don't you tell everyone what you just ordered? So, you see he's eating fries, and then he has like a million other burgers in here. This, and then he's got a chicken pocket.
Home-style chicken.
I'm sure it's home-style chicken, alright. Is that good?
Yep.
I do not want to eat that junk. Yes, it's fun sometimes, but we're gonna go and find somewhere. Oh, the hair's all on my face. We're gonna go find somewhere else because I don't want to eat that. So yeah, this is Chronicles of Fabio eating drive-thru every day and me getting annoyed. So it's mine and Fabio's 4-year anniversary today. We are just at a really nice winery here in Niagara on the lake called Trius Winery, and we just got these frozen, let's see, frozen rosé drinks, and oh my gosh, they're so good. I haven't ate anything today, so I'm already feeling a little tipsy, but it is so delicious. We just went to Trius Winery, had a couple tastings, and now we're gonna go to another winery. I just did a quick little outfit change in the truck. I just wasn't really feeling my outfit. It was jeans and a t-shirt, and all these people are wearing dresses and fancy clothes, so I thought I would change. But we're gonna go check out another winery, and I'll talk to you guys later. I decided to wake up earlier today, and look how beautiful this is. Hello and welcome. So we just moved into our new place about 2 weeks ago now, and oh my gosh, it has just been crazy getting everything prepared. And you know, there's always like last minute things that you totally forgot about that you needed. but we have just been preparing and planning and getting everything ready for a new place. So I'm so incredibly happy. I'm going to do a full house tour or condo tour once we have a couple things in. We're just waiting on a couple things, and then we're gonna do a full condo tour. But I want to show you my view. The view is honestly probably the number one reason why we got this place. It is beautiful. Okay, so here it is. Our little outdoor area. And my office. So our new place is just absolutely beautiful, way more beautiful than I could ever possibly imagine. And it was just one of those things that, you know, at the time there was hardly any condos, no apartments were available, but we knew the owner, which was really good. So it always helps when you know the owner, because then you can get in right away. And apparently there's tons of different applicants, tons of people who had wanted this spot, even higher bidders than us. But he's like, I know you guys, I know who you are, and I know you guys are good people, so you guys deserve it. So we're like, yay! We were really super happy. And this is our first time. We finally moved out. I moved out of my parents' house, he moved out of his mom's house, so it's definitely was the biggest step. And it's crazy to think that like we're not ever gonna go back to our parents' houses again. So it's a huge step, but it definitely feels amazing. It feels really good. So I'm super happy. And we have our dog, a little house dog too, so he's really super cute. But I'm gonna go back. I have some work to do today. It's Monday morning, which means it's check-in day for all my Transformers Tribe clients. So I'm gonna be getting at that. But I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I'm gonna do a huge like condo tour and all of that coming up. I know this video is kind of like a mishmash of a bunch of different things, but I will be doing a full condo tour once we have a couple things back in our condo, which probably will be in a week or two, but don't worry, you guys will get a full tour soon. So talk to you guys later and have an amazing day.